You could run yourself ragged online in search of the best treadmill, or you can trust our team of marathon runners, triathletes, and certified personal trainers who have personally used each of the machines below. We have unboxed, assembled, researched, and tested more than 5 running machines to bring you the best treadmill has to offer. In this video we will look at some of the best treadmills for home use on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7603 Treadmill. This budget-friendly treadmill on Amazon is a great deal because so many people buy and love it. Currently, it has earned over 1,000 5-star reviews. Of course, to hit such a low price, there are a lot of compromises. The belt is the skinniest we've seen, the motor tops out at 9 miles per hour, and to adjust the incline you have to get off the machine and flip a lever under the deck. But it's smooth and reliable at walking speeds and is handy for the occasional jog when you otherwise can't get outside. It's hard to argue with what this treadmill delivers at this price. Quickly and conveniently change speeds with the multifunction handrails of the SFT 7603. The handrail could also measure your heart rate, an important fitness metric. The longer your heart rate is elevated, the more calories are burned. Switch up your workouts and the intensity with up to 3 different levels of incline. Once you've become comfortable with the lowest incline level, you can increase the incline for additional calorie burning effectiveness. Take it easy on your knees and joints with the SFT 7603's shock absorbing tread belt. Low impact and with high performance, the SFT 7603 is engineered for maximum comfort and fitness potential. Number 2. Xterra Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill. Like the Sunny treadmill above, this Xterra is an entry-level walking treadmill that's a hit with Amazon.com buyers because it's so affordable and delivers reliability you don't usually see for just a few $100. It's extremely lightweight and small, and it's a breeze to assemble by yourself. And, once set up, it'll handle years of occasional walking and jogging. The 16-inch belt is as narrow as it gets, so you should plan on doing any intense intervals. But, if you do want to pick up the pace, it'll turn the belt up to 10 miles per hour. A compromise on budget machines like this is that you don't get big, smooth motors to do heavy work. Also, if you want to change the incline, you have to get off and do that manually. Incline tops out at just 5%. Xterra Fitness provides everything you require to reach your fitness goals in the TR folding treadmill. Offering a wide variety of workout programs, you can now realize your health and conditioning ambitions. Thanks to its sturdy frame and powerful motor, the TR150 and TR260 treadmills are built to keep up for as far as you can push yourself. The widescreen LCD display enables you to easily monitor information such as your pulse, speed, distance, time, and calories burned. Hand pulse sensors are conveniently mounted on the handlebars to keep you in your training zone. Extra soft deck cushioning technology provides maximum impact absorption, minimizing the stress on your joints and providing a more comfortable workout. Accessory holders are integrated into the console to conveniently hold your phone, water bottle, remote control, and more. When your workout is complete, simply fold up the deck and move it out of the way with built-in transport wheels for easy storage. Number 3. Horizon Fitness T101 Treadmill. While you can certainly find less expensive treadmills, the Horizon Fitness T101 is the best intersection of price and features. It's a somewhat small treadmill at just 20 by 55 inches, but it still offers the essential specs that most will probably want. It's powered by a modest 2.25 chp motor and offers speeds up to 10 miles per hour and an incline up to 10%. Heart rate is measured through the hand grips, and a small cooling fan helps keep you from melting on hot workout days. There's an easy-to-use command center console and Bluetooth connectivity that lets you play audio from your phone through built-in speakers. And the treadmill comes with about 30 preset workouts programs. Despite offering all those basics, it still manages to fold up, similar to the way the Proform Smart Pro 2000 folds up, though perhaps not as efficiently, so it can take up less space when not in use. Still, it's hard to beat the price tag, especially now that it's 35% off. You'll also get a free fitness mat with your purchase from now through Monday, 1/16. I purchased this treadmill a few days ago and so far so good. It does as it is supposed to and straight to the point. It has several pre-programmed workout plans, a small fan that blows on you, and Bluetooth capability. If you are looking for a basic treadmill that is not pricey and just get on and go, this one is for you. Number 4. Echelon Stride Treadmills. The Echelon Stride is a treadmill with a modern sensibility. It's equipped with Bluetooth and can be used with your own tablet. There is no built-in screen, and it folds up automatically at the press of a button, after which you can wheel it out of the way into any corner of the room. With its 1.75 chp motor, it's not the most powerful treadmill you can find, but the machine manages a top speed of 12 miles per hour and has a maximum incline of 10%. While you can use the Stride manually, you'll get the most out of it if you sign up for a membership to Echelon's on-demand fitness program. You'll get access to live classes as well as streaming on-demand sessions, and you can compete on the leaderboard with your own social circle of family and friends. While the monthly fee is $40 per month, the price drops to as little as $29 per month if you commit to a 2-year plan. I am 5 feet 6 inches and have no issue with the size of the tread. I have a small apartment and was worried it would ruin the look of my living room, but it didn't at all. It's a nice looking piece of equipment and takes up very little space. It is also extremely quiet compared to your average treadmill. Number 5. UREVO 2-in-1 Under-Desk Treadmill. If you want to tick both your step count and workload off your to-do list in one fell swoop, consider buying an under-desk treadmill. The UREVO 2-inch-1 has the added benefit of converting into a full treadmill with a frame and reaching a speed of up to 7.6 miles per hour. It features 5 layers of a non-slip running belt, an LED display with remote controls and a 2.5 horsepower motor, which will suffice for walking and jogging, but nothing more. It also has transportation wheels to slide away without much effort. I sat way too much while working and now I'm walking an average of 6-10 miles a day while working. This treadmill is a lifesaver. The phone holder of this UREVO folding treadmill can support the longest side of the phone, about 7.67 inch. Which is suitable for most phone